Hello, and welcome to the technical overview of the JBL VTX B35. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the B35's design, its key features, and how it fits within the broader VTX Series ecosystem. At the heart of the B35 is a triple 15-inch woofer layout arranged in an integrated cardioid configuration, delivering low-frequency directivity from a single enclosure and eliminating the need for complex deployment techniques while making directional control easier across a wider range of applications. The enclosure is constructed from premium Baltic birch plywood, balancing structural rigidity and the durability expected of VTX Series systems. Inside each of the three JBL 2285H Differential Drive woofers features dual 4-inch voice coils and a dual magnetic gap design, improving efficiency, reducing power compression, and maintaining consistent performance at high output levels. The enclosure is divided into two distinct chambers. The front section houses two forward-facing woofers and incorporates our slipstream port technology, with a large rectangular opening that transitions into an exponential flare along both the vertical and horizontal edges, improving airflow and reducing turbulence. The rear chamber contains a single woofer. By recessing the woofer behind the rear grille, airflow is guided around the driver and into two large exit ports on either side of the woofer. Because the rear port is exposed in downward tilted configurations, the enclosure incorporates an integrated water management system that channels moisture entering through the ports out through weep holes, preventing accumulation inside the cabinet. The B35 delivers cardioid performance in a compact footprint. Driver for driver, the B35 has a lower height profile than a traditional non-fixed cardioid subwoofer array, and has a narrower width than a grouping of single woofer subwoofers deployed in a cardioid array horizontally. The B35 features JBL's proven trigger-operated rigging system, designed for fast and secure flown deployment. A simple pull of the spring-loaded trigger extends each of the four connection points, with a red visible indicator confirming deployment. The rigging system supports flown arrays of up to 16 B35 subwoofers and is compatible with the VTX A12 rigging accessories for suspension. When down tilt is required to steer the directivity of a flown array toward the audience, the VTX A12 MK2 array frame supports 1 or 2 point suspension and provides the necessary vertical adjustment on its own. For applications requiring even greater down tilt, a rear connection point accepts the VTX A12 suspension bar for use as a pullback. The B35 rigging system is mechanically compatible with A12 line arrays, enabling mixed arrays without adapter frames or additional hardware. This makes the B35 especially useful when flown subwoofers are required, but overhead suspension points are limited. When production rigging is not required, the B35G variant omits the rigging hardware, offering a lighter, cost-effective option with identical acoustic performance. And for permanently installed applications, integrated M10 quick-link mounting points enable suspension of the B35G using M10 eye-bolts. As with all VTX products, transportation and deployment efficiency were key considerations in the design. Tabs on either side of the grille deploy outward to interface with the B35 ACC kit, which includes a front-mounted caster board and protective cover for single cabinet transport. For larger systems, the B35 vertical transporter enables the movement of 2 to 3 enclosures in a pre-stacked and pre-rigged vertical group. The vertical transporter is designed with interchangeable rigging rails and receiver corners, allowing it to support both B35 and B35G enclosures with a simple change. When used in ground-stacked configurations, the B35 vertical transporter is compatible with the A12VT GND stabilizer system. Mounted to the side of the transporter, it increases the footprint and enables leveling on uneven surfaces. Integrated M20 threaded mounting points provide attachment for VTX A12, A8, and A6 base plates, supporting fast, stable ground-stacked deployments. Like all VTX systems, the B35 integrates seamlessly into the JBL software ecosystem, including venue synthesis, array link, and performance manager. Together, these tools support precise 3D system design, efficient deployment, and comprehensive real-time control of VTX systems. The B35 is a powerful addition to the VTX B series, combining high output, integrated cardioid control, and system efficiency in a single enclosure. The B35 gives you a practical solution when space, array geometry, or deployment constraints limit traditional cardioid approaches. For more information on the B35 or other VTX products, visit jblpro.com. Thank you for watching.